Here is how to turn off Realme without power button. So you can turn off with two way. First, you can set up from setting, go to setting. Next, on the setting, you can go to accessibility, and then you can tap on accessibility menu and then enable this button. Next, tap allow, and then you can see shortcut like this, or you can change from here location to floating icon. And then if you want to turn off, you can tap power and then like this, release your hand or finger to shut down. Next, you can turn off like this. From control center, swipe down and then tap on three dot icon, and then you can see power off shortcut. Very easy. Thank you for watching my video.